Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's video, we are going to talk about what is industrial design and basically what industrial designers do. So let's begin. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit that like button. Please share the video as much as possible. It will help me. And please subscribe to the channel. I make contents regarding design, architecture, planning, interior design, graphic design and UI UX, especially about all kinds of creative careers, creative fields and few Indian colleges as well. So please subscribe to the channel if you are new to it. And so let's begin. So what is industrial design exactly? So basically it's a outcome of industrial revolution and before industrial revolution, what used to happen? Every person used to make the things or products like blacksmith, all these people or carpenters or a pottery person. They used to make these products, but they were not used to mass production of the items. So post industrial revolution, what happened? Mass production of products and items increased. So this made industrial revolution, and due to industrial revolution, mass production started, and things designed in this are called as industrial products, and they can be it can be defined as any man-made product which helps to ease our work, and it is produced in mass in industries is an industrial design products. This is basic definition according to me, and you can check out whatever you feel, but one that any product or any item which is man-made and has been mass produced in the industry is industrial design. That can be anything from your phone, your laptop, to your lifts, your bed, your garments, all these items, your cars, your vehicle, the vehicles, tram systems we use, any services systems, all we take any systems, any physical items like your rackets and shuttles, all these are made in industries, and hence they are the product of industrial design. Your shoes which are produced in industry are part of industrial design, which is again which is subset in the footwear design. Your cars, which is a subset in a transport design. Your machines, all these are under product design. Jewelry design, which are mass produced, which are not handmade, all these are industrial design. So anything in and around which is mass produced is a industrial design. And if you have confusion with product design, please go and check out my product design video. The link is given in the description, which tells you about difference between the what is product design, difference between product and industrial design, product design and UX design. So please go and check out that if you are confused with product design and industrial design. But and please check out my other videos regarding design as well. Let's see. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. So person who does these so what does an industrial designer do then? Industrial designer usually prototype the things, and he makes plans and 3D models according to which your designs are produced. For example, now we have laser printing technique and these technique of making 3D masses and printing them, like 3D printing and all, no? So for these you need exact drawings. So product designer researches and industrial designer researches and makes these drawings in a CAD or by hand, and this is the major work of him. So he usually works with engineers, especially mechanical and electrical. They will basically become mechanical items like machines, and electrical products like whatever see around you, any electrical gadget item, and then they work with manufacturers to know how industries work and all. So this field is a blend of both of these technologies. So industrial designer works with these people, and he is called as an industrial designer with various names. So this chart is like main umbrella under which different sort of industrial design fields work. The main ones I have written: the transport design, which again is under which the vehicle design comes, the automobile design of yours. Then you have car designing in it, which is separate branch in itself. So this is how the field is growing. And you have product design. So any product which is produced in mass is a industrial design again. You have, that can be a electrical product, that can be a footwear, that can be a accessory, anything that is mass produced basically, that can be a bag or anything. So then you have toy and game design. All these physical toys and all, they are keep on improving with the shape and design. So toy and game designer, this toy and game designer part takes you to even video game designing, even this one reaches you to AI VR. So all these have a very thin line between industrial design, product design, UI UX. Okay, please go and check out other video of what is product design and difference between the industrial and product design and UX design. That will help you understand the things in much better way. And what is furniture, then furniture design, where industrial mass furnitures are mass produced. That can be anything from simple chair or any hospital items, a hospital stretcher, which is again a furniture, or the hospital bed, or the chairs you use in a place of dentists. All these have various different sort of requirements, right? So so he basically deals with ergonomics part of the thing. So industrial designer. Then you have universal design, which universal designs are usually done to avoid our to manage our waste control, and any product can be used by anyone universally by any person. So this is also a part of industrial design, and these have again subsets in them. Okay, so what exactly they have to do is, designer has to understand the purpose and function and psychology behind it, like how things feel. For example, if I'm designing a bottle for a nice bottle for any juice sort of thing, I'll make sure it's transparent so people will attract and see its color. I'll try to make its mouth very little, like it comes it opens in a smaller portion, because when you open it, you even need to smell it, how it smells. So it's about how you use your sensory organs, like how comfortable it is to hold in your hand. So all these things, how it functions, these matters. So this is just about how you design that bottle, but behind it, these many things you have to think about. So that's what an industrial designer do before designing anything, and he has to study the market, what is available there, what is not available there. And if I'm doing bottle, I'll make sure I'll use it nice with a nice material, so that it feels good while holding, aesthetically good, and again it's environmentally, it's not harming the environment. I'll try to avoid using plastic. So that's how a designer should think. He should think about it. So please share the video if you liked it, and hit that like button, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.